Jambo, and hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of September, we'll be learning about Kenya. Come along with us. This week we'll be learning our greeting song using some words in Swahili. So first, let's learn how to say hello. Hello in Swahili is Jambo. Can you say that? Jambo. Very good. And we'll also learn the phrase Hakuna Matata. Can you repeat that? Hakuna Matata. You might have heard that phrase before. It means no worries. All right, let's listen to our greeting song and then we'll learn it together. Ready? Turn those listening ears on. Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Hakuna Matata. Great! Let's break that down and learn it together. We've sung this greeting song before, so we probably remember how the melody goes. But let's see if we can learn it line by line. So I'll sing a line and then you'll repeat it back to me, okay? So we start with Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Can you try that? A one, a two, moja, mbili, tatu. Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Very good. Now the next line, we repeat the words, but the melody sounds a little bit different. It goes down in pitch. Jambo, Jambo, how are you? It has a bit of a minor sound to it, doesn't it? Can we try it all the way from the top together? Ready? A one, a two, moja, mbili, tatu. Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Excellent. Now we repeat those words one more time, but our melody goes back to normal. Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Good. Can we add that on from the top? A one, a two, moja, mbili, tatu. Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Great. And then we just add on the very last line. Hakuna Matata. Good. Can you sing just that line with me? Hakuna Matata. Good. Let's try adding it all on from the top. Are you ready? Slowly. A one, a two, moja, mbili, tatu. Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Hakuna Matata. Great job, everyone. Shall we try it one more time from the very top, a little bit faster? And you can add some waving hands if you want. All right, are you ready? From the top. A one, a two, moja, mbili, tatu. Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Jambo, Jambo, how are you? Hakuna Matata. Great job, everyone. Excellent. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more Kenya in September. Bye, everyone. Kwaheri.